Baby, thank you. Right.
Honey, that's not what you think. Meet my wife.
Yo, what? Smith, are you married? Jesus. Tell me you're married now. What's all this?
I'm sorry. I didn't tell. This is my wife.
Hey!
This is my colleague in the office.
Oh,
Are you serious?
Yes.
no problem, honey. You don't need to worry. Meet my boyfriend. My sugar.
It's your boyfriend?
Yes, my boyfriend.
What do you mean your boyfriend?
He's my boyfriend.
What do you mean your boyfriend? Your boyfriend? How?
Honey, you're shouting. You're shouting.
I am shouting?
Yes.
Are you stupid? I am shouting.
Oh my God.
How dare you?
Jesus. What rights do you have to hit her like that? Are you insane? Don't you know she's a woman? Do you realize the person you are with is my wife? Your what? Your wife? You mean you're married? You didn't tell me you're married. How dare you? Are you stupid?
So how dare you touch my man? Are you what? Don't touch my man again.
So, who's your man? Honey,
Baby, I'm sorry.
Me?
Honey, I'm sorry.
You slapped me?
Me, your man?
So you're married?
You slapped me?
I'm sorry.
I'm asking you. So, the so-called side boyfriend slapped me.
My love.
Give me an insult.
My love.
If you come close to me, if you come close to me, if you come close to me,
You give me an insult.
how long has this been going on? I can explain, just calm down. How long has this been going on? You have been cheating on me.
Tell me that he's married though.
You have been cheating on me.
Hey, young man.
First time.
Young man, listen to me. So you're the one going out with my wife?
And you are the one that's been sleeping with my wife.
She didn't tell you that she's married?
Did she not tell you she's married? Are you insane?
Are you alright?
Are you insane?
Are you stupid?
There's something wrong with you.
Are you alright?
Are you alright?
And you don't touch me.
Are you alright?
My husband like that. If you touch your husband, you see what
You're
I'm
shouting at my husband. Are you
Get
mad?
you arrested. You should get me arrested.
Yes.
I should get you arrested.
You want to arrest my
I should
husband?
get you arrested.
I should get you arrested and locked up.
You're not ashamed of yourself? You're sleeping with somebody's wife. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
And you have been sleeping with my wife. Did you not hear me say that she's my wife?
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So you didn't tell him you were married?
You're calling me honey? Are you calling me honey?
I'm sorry.
Are you alright? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Hey, honey, please. I know you don't speak to me.
Listen to me.
I know you don't
You
speak.
see, you know what? I'm going to settle this with him.
Get out of my way.
I said, get out of your way.
Honey.
I said, get out of your
don't
way.
go like that, though.
Hey,
And you lied to me.
So,
You told me you're single.
You lied to
You're
me?
even married.
You told me that you're single. I didn't know that you're married.
You too, you're married.
Hey, can you stop this?
How dare you lay your hands on my wife? Please, how dare you lay your hands on my wife? Do you want to fight my husband? Do you want to fight my husband? How dare you lay your hands on my wife? Is something wrong with you?
Are you mad?
Listen to me. Better respect
I wish I was
yourself.
saying
Better respect yourself.
and break your head here right now. How dare you lay your hands on my
Respect
wife?
yourself.
Your husband is stupid.
Your husband is a cheat.
Your husband doesn't have sense. You are in soup with me. I can explain.
You stop this.
I can explain.
You can explain what?
Calm down.
Explain what exactly?
I can explain.
So this is you.
Sorry. So you have been cheating on me.
Baby, it's just
You have been cheating. What do you mean just
Baby,
once?
I'm sorry. I've not...
What do you mean just once?
Baby,
You are talking now.
Baby,
You are talking now.
Baby, I'm sorry.
You right?
Honey,
You right?
honey, calm down.
I should calm down.
I'm sorry. Come on, let's get home. You'll see what I'm going to
Don't
do
do
to
it
you.
again.
Come on.
Baby, my own are finished, honey. Honey.
Don't you dare call me that.
I'm sorry.
I'm taking you straight to your village.
Okay.
Trust me. I'm taking you straight to your.
Listen, it can be amazing.
You're not going to sit in front with me.
Honey, please.
Enter here.
I won't have your wife. Now nobody will have your wife.
You are my wife. Did you say you are my wife? If I hear that thing again. I'm sorry, I can explain. Honey, please. Honey, I'm sorry.
Do not come close to me. Do not come close to me. Do not come close to me.
I'm sorry. Let me enter the car with you now.
Kaisa, don't come. I said don't come close to me. Better respect yourself.
I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry now.
Respect yourself.
I'm sorry.
Just go with him.
You deceived me.
Go with him. He deceived you.
I'm sorry.
He deceived you, right? He deceived you.
I'm so sorry. You are leaving me here? Honey, please now.
He deceived you, right?
Yes.
He deceived you.
I'm sorry. Where is that Oyibo Pepe?